Okay, Mrs. Johnson told me the last time I was here, she was okay with it being 6 inches above and 6 inches out. Okay, great. So, I'm going to tell you how I can make this much faster. You measure from here to here. So right now, I have 76 inches. 76 inches plus 6 and 6, that's 76 inches plus 12, that's 88 inches. I would tell the store my width is 88 inches. Then I would measure from the floor to here. Let's just pretend it's 80 inches, okay? I would add 6 inches because she wants it 6 inches above. 86 inches. Oh, wait a second. It would be 86 inches if it was touching the floor, but Mrs. Johnson wants it 1 inch off the floor, so I'm going to tell them 85 inches. 85 inches. Now, still, now that I have the 85 inches, I know what to write on the paper. I gave you the width and I gave you the height. Now the store is going to make it. But now when I come back, I have to install this correctly. So the first thing I have to do is I have to get this stupid thing out of here. I use the Allen key that they give you. I unscrew this and I get it out. Okay? Now, it's sort of like a triangle, these holes. The top goes first. I got to get this on the wall. All right? And the flanges come out when I install it on the wall. But where do I put it? I have a pencil mark here, 6 inches maybe, what, I don't know. So I come up with this stencil. This stencil, I have different holes. This is for 2 inches, 4 inches, 6 inches, and 8 inches. This is, I put on the corner over here, so look. I put this like this. She wanted 6 inches, so it's not the 2 or the 4, it's right here, this one. That's the 6 inches. So I'm gonna go up there right away. I come into the house, I don't need to know anything, but I come up here, I do this. I go right to here, and I put pencil marks in my 3 holes. And then I flip this around, and I do the same thing on this side. 6 inches, boom, boom, boom. That one. Now I have the pencil marks on the wall. Now I get to do my work. I go up there, I put the anchors in. I'm probably only going to use 2 of the holes. Because three anchors next to each other is going to make that wall too weak. So I use 2 holes. I'm also going to do one in the middle. So there, and in the middle. Then I put these brackets up. I screw this right in. I had the 3 pencil marks here. I put 2 anchors in, and now I put this in here, and I drill it in. That's going to be sitting on the wall all by itself. When it's on the wall, I come back over here. I get this, and I snap it on. Okay? And once I snap it on, I have to now painfully take the Allen key and tighten this up. It takes a long time. I've invented a new way to do that. I'll show you that in the future to make this faster. But for now, you're going to have to use the Allen key they give you, and it takes a long time. I'll show you that speed at a different tape. So now this is up there. The other one's up there. And here's a problem. You see how big this wall is? I'm going to get a big rod. These rods have to be fed through here. It's a pain in the butt. The other ones had the opening on the top, you just lay it. That's the way we should have it, but we don't. Maybe we'll go back to it when somebody realizes how hard this is to do. Now I have 3 of these up here. How do I get the rod in? Impossible. You can't get the rod in. There's no room. I can't feed it. There's a wall here and a wall here. I don't have the room. Genius invention. So, I'm going to leave the 2 outside ones on. I'm going to take the rod. And don't forget, I already have this. This is already going to be on the wall. I'm going to take the rod and I'm going to feed it right through here. So this is just dangling from the rod. Now I'm going to put the rod in here and then back into that hole. So it's holding, and this will just be dangling. I'm going to push this up, snap it onto here, and now it'll all be in place. Then I'll tighten that up. Pain in the neck. You'd be better off if you had a wider, more room. I come across some windows where they're in the middle of a big wall, and I can just slide the thing through. A pain in the butt. But This template here has the 6-inch number right here in the middle. That's the 6-foot mark. So the 6-inch mark is actually the middle of this rod. So if you had put a pencil mark 6 inches and you had went up there and tried to find the middle of this right on the middle of that pencil mark, that's kind of hard because you can't see it. It's behind here, so you don't know where it is exactly. That's why it's all laid out for you here already. And so all you need to do is put this up here, make those marks, drill this in those holes, snap this on, and if the factory made it right, it will lay down 1 inch off the floor like Mrs. Johnson wanted. Okay? That's it. If I think of anything else to tell you in the near future, I'll let you know. Thank you.